here. Nothing goes to waste in Felbeck's kitchen. Yes, so after making my coconut milk, I've decided to use the chaff or the pulp for a healthy, no-bake coconut energy balls. Welcome back to Felbeck TV. Today is a DIY session, and I will show you how to make this no-bake coconut energy balls. A quick snack, healthy snack on the go. So to prepare this, you need your coconut pulp, roasted granules, dates, the very soft ones, yes, vanilla essence, pinch of salt, and then some oats. So in your processor, food processor, you pour in your dates. So you use the pour stop option to blend it a bit fine. Too fine. Yeah, just to chop it. So at this point, I will add my roasted granules, still using the pulse stop. So at this time, I will add in my oats and my coconut pulp, a pinch of salt, and then my vanilla essence. So you have to check if you'll be able to mold it after mixing everything together. Add, if it's too dry, let me put it that way, you can add a little bit of water. So it's too dry for my liking, I'll add a little bit of water to my mixture. Yeah. Yes. So now it's like the consistency I allow. After mixing all my ingredients together, I'll pour it into a bowl, mix it together very well, and then mold it into small balls. I realize it's too dry for my liking, and I don't want to soak it with too much water. So I'd rather be adding granule paste to my mixture to help it bind very well and chewy. Yes, so I'm gonna add this amount of granule paste to my mixture. Yeah, and mix it together. So now I'm coming to mold my mixture into small balls. molding my energy balls. All that is left is for me to cover it with a cling film and put it in my fridge. Yes, so you are going to chill it for like 30 minutes for it to be firm, chewy. I bet you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, let's get to it. Or you can put it in an airtight container, cover it and put it in your fridge. It should last you for some days. If you want to keep it longer, you can put it in an airtight container, put it in your freezer. It should last you for like 2 months. Yes, so this is a no bake, no frying, no nothing energy balls. Freeze it or chill it. Take one, you bite it and you're on the go. Yeah, if you watch up to this point, I don't see why you are not subscribing. Yes, and to our returning viewers, we love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Yes, comment, share, like. Let's continue to grow this amazing Felbeck family. In my next video, the processor that I used, I will be reviewing it, showing you all that it is in the box as I bought it, everything that you can use it for, because I've used it. So I'll be bringing my valid, vivid review on the processor I used. Yeah, it's Team Becks signing out. Mwah.